for you. You will make up around 7:50 because of the low rain. Be careful riding your bike to work. There will be flooding near your office. At lunchtime, it will be very warm. If you eat lunch in the park, you might see your best friends. If you go home 10 minutes later than usual this afternoon, you will stay dry. And good news, it will be sunny this Saturday and Jenny's birthday party. Thank you for using our service. You can change your setting to get a best forecast for you. My name is Javier. Have a nice day.